The project's name is Retail Sales Prediction, and the objective here is to predict weekly sales for retail stores. Actually, it is a regression problem and we will use the XGBoost algorithm. Developing an accurate model will help to gain business insights. So our dataset contains weekly sales from 99 departments belonging to 45 different stores. The data contains promotional markdowns that are crucial to promoting sales. Initially, we had 3 CSV files. One had information about the stores. The second was about features based on the stores on different dates. And the third was about sales. When we merged the dataset, it looked like this. Note that later we dropped the date column because we had the month column which was derived from it. Now it's time for exploratory data analysis. We found the mean to a pivot table and observed that markdown 2 and markdown 3 are dependent on holidays. Holidays also show some correlation with those markdowns. Markdown 1 and markdown 4 have the highest correlation of 0.84, 0.42 between markdown 1 and markdown 5, and sales also have some correlation with the store size. This is the pair plot between markdown 1 and 4, which have the highest correlation. When we grouped our data by store type, we observed that on average type A stores have the highest sales, followed by type B and type C. Alright, we can get more insights if we group our data by department and by month. In the pre-processing part, we converted the categorical variables type, store and department into binary variables. The type column got converted into type B and type C columns. The store and department columns also got converted into multiple columns. For example, for the store we have columns from store 2 to store 45. Although XGBoost has a lot of hyperparameters, I have tuned 7 of them, such as eta, max depth, etc., and got fine results. Now our model is trained and we can use it for predictions. These are the baseline values which will be used for predictions. In the first prediction, we check the effect of markdown. $10,540 is the sales of our baseline features, where all the markdowns are 0. And we see an increase of around $800 when there is a holiday. When we set markdown 5 equal to 5,000 and compare its sales with the baseline, there is not much change on a regular day, but we see some reduction on holidays. This means that this markdown results in a loss with the current features. When we set markdown 1 and markdown 4 to 5,000 each and the other markdowns to 0, we observe that these markdowns together can increase our sales by some amount, and on holiday the increment would be double. When we change the value of all markdowns from 1000 to 100 in the month of November, we observe a loss of just $240. In the next prediction, we increase fuel price, consumer price index, and unemployment by the given values and observe a loss of around $900. When we predict the sales for a small store with type C, we see a loss of around $11,000 when compared to a big store with type A. That's huge. Here we are comparing sales for different stores but same departments. Store 5 gives sales of around $11,000, whereas store 20 gives $16,000. Finally, we compare sales of different departments within a particular store. Department 43 has around $3,500, 22 has around $12,000, $18,000 for 34, and $98,000 for 92. That's huge. The report ends here. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.